guys, so welcome back to my FB Live. This is your mentor Neo. And yung tatalakayin natin ngayon guys is that all about the Forex market. We'll have a recap on what happened today. And we will also have some analysis on what happened to the Philippine stock market. So to start with, I would like to show to you the event that happened today in the Forex market and the stock market as a whole. So basically today the most important event was about the Fed interest rate decision. As you can see, there is no change in interest rates, so it remained flat. But most of the time after the release of this economic event, there is a significant volatility in the market, Forex market, and including the stock market in the US. So it was released at 8 p.m. here at Central European time, so around here 20. So this is a 30 minutes time frame, this is a 4-hour time frame at the right side. As you can see, gold. So why is it that it's important to check the gold? It's because when there is a Fed interest rate, it's always the US dollar which is moving. As you can see, there was really a high volatility in the dollar index. You see this candle, so it tried to push up, but sold off at this resistance level, creating this bearish pin bar, and then boom, down move. And if the dollar index is bearish, then we are bullish on the gold or silver. And let's check now the gold. I have a position here. I just entered 30 minutes ago. So you can see at this time when the economic event was released, I mean the Fed interest rate, which stayed at 0.25% still. And after the release, you see this doji candle here, and the break above the high of the doji is a buy signal. You set your stop at the low of this doji, or the low of this next 30 minutes candle. So we have a nice position here because it's logical to go long at this level because of the key support which is here. As you can see, this one at 4-hour time frame. So we have here the key support level, and we have here also the trend line support. So if you check this one, this is a down move and then up move and pull back and retest this pivot point here, which is also in confluence to the resistance here, became a support level. So, and we have here a resistance trend line, which there is also a resistance area up here. So we buy low and sell it high. So in the next coming days, I am forecasting bullish up move for the gold and the silver. So this is gold. So you see this one. Let's change it to 1-hour time frame. So we can draw here a trend line, minor trend line, and see this one. We have a pin hammer, and then we broke above the high of the pin hammer, and potentially we will retest these resistance areas here. So nice risk and reward, so attractive trade for gold and silver. So this is gold, and let's show you silver. Silver is not perfectly the same as the gold, but if you check this support here, we broke above that, and then we push one more, and we establish here another low, wherein there is a stop hunting happening here. So this is now the time when there is next higher higher low which is created. So this is the low, and there is a higher low. So we respected that. We stop hunted all those long positions here in this level. Were stop hunted and then reverse the trend. So I'm expecting silver to read this area here. So nice crescent reward. So but I think gold is more attractive than silver. So you see there is now a break above the trend line and it's a little bit moving fast. So consolidate and break above. So this will be my target from 1820 to 1840. So but we have only 15 minutes more to go before the Forex market will close on the session, London's no US session, sorry. And yep, so I think there will be some quick trades happening at the last few minutes of this day, and tomorrow I will still look at this bullish opportunity when the London session will open plus the New York session. Alright, so that's Forex market for today, and let's check the Philippine market. So I always check the PSEI for the Philippine stock market, and let's see what's going on around here. Okay, let me just pull out my template, naked template, so not too many indicators. So right, so I have just here EMA 21 and the RSI at the bottom. So right, so firstly we check the weekly chart to see the higher time frame and higher bigger trend, and what's happening here. Okay, so we have here this support. We have support here. We have here trend line, which price was rejected here. So this is really a significant resistance. So we draw a resistance area here, and then we draw support level here. So what's happening now is that this is support, this is resistance. Now the price bounces from the support and rallied but rejected. So this looks like an indication that the price action here, the Philippine stock market, is weakening. So let's try to draw this trend line also. We have also this, we will consider that as resistance as well. So I think so we have here a resistance, we have a support, so potentially we will consolidate here until we see in which direction the price will break. So also we can consolidate here. If this trend line breaks, price can go back here and furthermore can retest this support and so on, or this support. However, if the price breaks above this, it will try to challenge this resistance. If that resistance breaks, then we can expect the PSEI to come here at this 9050 level. So that's it. So consolidation, so it means that it's still we are not directional. We don't have direction in our Philippine stock market, so it needs some waiting. So I think within 3 weeks to 4 weeks, that can be a good waiting time till we have a good good view about which direction the index is heading. And fundamentally also, there are still some lockdowns happening. There is Delta variant, so many negative things happening around. So alright, by the way, I really congratulate our first ever gold medalist in Olympics, Hidilyn Diaz. So I'm really proud of her. And at last, the Filipino dream to have an Olympic medal has been achieved after more than 93 years. So mabuhay to all Filipinos around the world. And then till next time, guys, for my next market outlook, technical analysis on Forex, stock market in US and in the Philippines, and crypto as well. So if you are watching this video in my YouTube channel, feel free to like and subscribe so that you will be notified on my next live broadcast. Thanks guys, and have a good day to everyone.